morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. Welcome, welcome. It's a beautiful day. It's a Thursday, and it's a little bit rainy and wet. However, it is legit 50 degrees. That's right. And we're gonna kind of go along here, just like so. Try to get ahead of this traffic as it's moving nice and slow. We're probably not gonna make this light. Definitely not. We're not making it. But it's okay. It was a terrible, oh, look at that. There's a motorcycle right there. But yeah, as I was saying, it's a little bit rainy and a little bit drizzly, but it's 50 degrees. I am not wearing any thermals. I'm not wearing glove liners. I'm not cold. I don't want to jinx it because next week we're going to get dip into 40s again, but the spring is here. The spring has sprung. We're 100% ready for this. And that means the camping is coming soon. Everything falling into place. And it's a Thursday, which is a good thing. And it's a MotoGP weekend. Things are coming together as far as fun and motorcycles go, and as far as my life goes as well. Because today is going to be actually a super busy day because I have a ton of shit to do at work, for work, and then I have a ton of shit to do for my personal stuff, which I plan on doing in the next like hour. I just have to put my head down and get some shit done, because sometimes I'm feeling a little lazy and other days I'm feeling a little productive, and today is one of those productive days. Oh, I didn't even realize there was a car here. Look at that. Let's put it in space, so we'll just take it. Not a big deal. I don't think anybody's too upset about my moves, and if they are, it happens. So yeah, today I'm wearing my Aether apparel gloves, which is nice. And this is a perfect day for my Battle Axe Bridgestones. They like a little bit of moisture and a little bit of wetness. That's what they're for this kind of shit. So it is an exciting day. I am definitely getting a little bit of savage, savage moves in, because I am kind of cutting people off, which is silly. Here we are. Oh, and there's a construction cone right in the middle. I don't know what's going on here. Like, look at this minivan. Like, why on fucking earth that idiot is parked there? Nobody knows. And why on earth is this person not pulled up to the line? No idea. But that is like all the concerns, you know? Like, literally right now behind me, I'm not really breaking the law. Not breaking the law at all. And they're still like 6 feet behind me, because people ain't got nowhere to be. So that's totally fine. Oh man, and the one thing I can't wait for is camping. Camping is on the cusp. If you are excited about camping, you let me know. You tell me below. I'm excited for camping videos, because whether you want it or not, there's gonna be some camping videos coming, tons of them. And let me know if there's specific things about camping that you want to see, because I mean, I'm obviously gonna do like spot reviews and like how to build a tent again and all my like camping gear setup and all that, but maybe there's something specific you'd like. So who knows? Who knows? Yeah, in other news, there's a word of the day again. Another word of the day is morda. Morda is kind of like a rude way to say face. It's kind of like animals have mordas, or pigs or something, you know? So that's what the word of the day is. Morda. M-O-R-D-A. And perhaps a Russian-speaking person can explain exactly what morda means specifically, but for the most part, if you want to say somebody has an ugly mug, you call it a morda. So there's your word of the day. And I can't say I'm very much excited to play in traffic, because look how overcast it is. And actually any minute, supposedly, there's going to be some real rain for like 2 hours, which should be interesting. Another thing that's happening today is it's the first day of the baseball season, and I assure you, I don't give a shit about baseball. I can't even lie. I can't even fake the funk. Not a baseball person, but I'm going to a baseball party. Hopefully this weather clears up, because at 5 o'clock today there's a big ass barbecue planned, so I do hope to make this barbecue. Lane splitting, lane splitting. Not much to say. It is a trafficy day. Can't really commute nowadays without lane splitting. It's just because I start my work around 8, I guess, well, give or take, and that's when the traffic is the meanest. I used to ride to work a little bit earlier or a little bit later, but if you go around 8 o'clock, this is what you get. You get this. Part of me wants to go local, just because I like to show off a little bit of cobblestones and this and that, but at the same time, I don't think there's a need for it, because I feel like all this traffic is because of the exit. That's how people get to Brooklyn Bridge. Brooklyn Bridge or Manhattan Bridge, nobody really knows. One of those bridges. But yeah. So look at this. Look at this mess. Look at this madness. People are just like shifting lanes and acting like scored little princesses. Nothing wrong with it. It's funny, once in a while I get comments about people, you know, telling me how crazy I am for bitching. It's like, people are driving on narrow streets and you're yelling at them while your blinker is on the whole ride, and I'm just like, show me, bro. Show me this. Show me these narrow streets and show me my blinker on, because I'd like to see both of those events take place. You know? Because right over here, right at this exit, I turn on my blinker, like starting right about now, and then I keep it on. Why? Because why would I take it off? What's the point of me taking my blinker out, turning off my blinker, if I can just, you know, leave it on, because I'm about to turn, and everybody behind me knows I'm about to turn, so my blinker stays on. So this is not me leaving my blinker on forever. And after this turn, there's another turn to the right. And look at this. Right now I'm riding on freaking dirt, because they're redoing this lane, obviously. You can see on the left, it's like a brand new concrete. I'm excited because even though I'm exiting here, if you go to the left more, that way, oh, it's sloppy over there, bumpy and ugly. And right now it's 8 degrees Celsius. How about that shit? Beautiful. 46 Fahrenheit, 8 degrees Celsius. But yeah, look at this turn. It's grimy. So here we go. So see, my blinker stays on. I could have turned it off, I guess, but it's alright. And then I'm turning right here. And then I'm turning right again. So that's why, go ahead, the double blinker situation. You know, that's why I have not turned off my blinker in the last like 30 seconds. Alright. Come on, Jeep. You could do it. There you go. Come on, Florida. You could do it. There you go. And we're in beautiful Dumbo. And it's a little overcast and moist, but the rain never broke, so can't complain. And it's a Thursday. Just got all these good things happening. I'm gonna take a little left here and find a nice parking spot. Let's see if we can. Some po-po up front, up ahead, doing a bunch of po-po shit. That's cool. That's cool. No issues. Oh, there we go. I have a legit park right there. That's a perfect spot. Perfect spot for my little motorcycle. And it's a Thursday, so winning. I'm not sure what you're doing, buddy, but you gotta move a little faster. Really? Okay. Not sure what that guy was doing, but we're not gonna find out. Anywho, boys and girls, look at these slick cobblestones. That's how you dump it good. But we don't worry about that. We ain't dumping a goddamn thing. Anywho, I will talk to you soon. We're gonna park this beast and put in some work. And after that, hopefully the day clears up and it's barbecue time. I'll talk to you later. Bye.